Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to find the value of an infinite summation. So let us get started. Let us take y as equal to 1 over 1 minus e raised to x. Now, if we take e raised to x as between 0 and 1, then y can be written as equal to 1 plus e raised to x plus e raised to 2x plus e raised to 3x, all up to infinite summation. Now, since y is equal to 1 over 1 minus e raised to x, we can write dy by dx as equal to y square minus y. Let us take x as equal to alpha so that e raised to alpha equals 1 over 2. Also, we will write y as equal to a0 plus a1 times x minus alpha plus a2 times x minus alpha the whole square plus a3 times x minus alpha the whole cube, all up to infinity. Now, since y equals 1 plus e raised to x plus e raised to 2x plus e raised to 3x, all up to infinite summation, we can take sixth derivative of y as equal to 1 raised to 6 times e raised to x plus 2 raised to 6 times e raised to 2x plus 3 raised to 6 times e raised to 3x, all up to infinite summation. So this can be written as equal to summation of n raised to 6 times e raised to n times x, and varying from 1 up to infinity. So, if we take the value of sixth derivative of y at x equal to alpha, we get this as equal to summation of n raised to 6 times e raised to n times alpha, and varying from 1 up to infinity, which can be written as summation of n raised to 6 over 2 raised to n, and varying from 1 up to infinity. Now, since y is equal to a0 plus a1 times x minus alpha plus a2 times x minus alpha the whole square, and so on, the sixth derivative of y will be equal to 6 factorial times a6 plus 7 factorial over 1 factorial times a7 times x minus alpha plus 8 factorial over 2 factorial times a8 times x minus alpha the whole square, and so on. So, the value of sixth derivative of y at x equal to alpha will be equal to 6 factorial times a6, which will be equal to 720 times a6. Now, y is equal to this, then, and dy by dx equals y square minus y. We can write this as equal to square of this minus this. Now, if we equate the coefficient on both the sides, we get a1 as equal to a0 square minus a0, 2 times a2 as 2 times a0 times a1 minus 1 a1, 3 times a3 as equal to 2 times a0 times a2 plus a1 square minus a2, 4 times a4 as equal to 2 times a0 times a3 plus a2 to 2 times a1 times a2 minus a3, and a5 times a5 will be this, and 6 times a6 will be this. Now, a0 will be equal to 1 over 1 minus e raised to alpha, which will be equal to 1 over 1 minus half, which will be equal to 2. So, A0 equals to A1 equals A0 square minus A0. So substituting the value of A0 we get 2 square minus 2, which will be equal to 2. So A1 is equal to 2. Now 2 times A2 equals this. Substituting the value of A0 and A1, we get this as equal to 2 times 2 times 2 minus 2. That will be equal to 6. So A2, 2 times A2 is equal to 6. So A2 will be 3. Now 3 times A3 equals this. So substituting the value of A0, A1 and A2, we get equal to this, which when simplified will be equal to 30. So 3 times A3 is equal to 30. So A3 will be 13 over 3. Now 4 times equals this. So substituting values of A0 up to A3, we get this as equal to this, which unsimplified will become 25. So 4 times A4 is 25. So A4 will be 25 over 4. Now 5 times A5 equals this. Substituting the value of A0 up to A4, we get this as equal to this, which when simplified will become 541 over 12. So 5 times A5 is 541 over 12. So A5 will be equal to 541 over 60. Now 6 times A6 equals this. So substituting the value of A0 up to A5, we get this, which when simplified will become 1561 over 20. So 6 times A6 equals 1561 over 20. So A6 will be equal to 1561 over 120. Now since we got A6, so we can write summation of n raised to 6 over 2 raised to n and varying from 1 up to infinity equals 720 times A6. Substituting the value of A6, we get 720 times 1561 over 120, which when calculated will become 9366. So the value of summation which we want to find is equal to 9366. So this was all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give us a like and get subscribed to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss any future video. See you all in the next video. Bye.